Hello everyone, my name is Valerie Vasquez and my project today is on muscular dystrophy. What is muscular dystrophy? Muscular dystrophies are a group of muscle disorders caused by mutations in a person's genes. As time goes by, the muscle's weakness limits your range of motion, which leads to making your daily activities more difficult than usual. There are many types of muscular dystrophy, however, each affects a specific muscle groups. Fun fact, some of us know about the famous American model, Jillian McCardle, who is one of the few professional models who has a visible physical disability in fashion industry. This is a quick video on muscular dystrophy. Okay, so as we saw, he explained what causes dystrophy. So, muscular dystrophy is due to the inheritance of affected genes that leads to mutations of different genes or dysregulation of genes. The inheritance of these affected genes follow the pattern of sex-linked inheritance, autosomal recessive inheritance, and autosomal dominant inheritance. Right here we have a picture explaining the different types of inheritance and the X and Y chromosomes. Types, however, there's five different types of muscular dystrophy. We have facial scapulohumeral muscular dystrophy, Duchenne muscular dystrophy, Becker muscular dystrophy, Emery-Dreifuss muscular dystrophy, and limb-girdle muscular dystrophy. And this picture, it shows how each type of muscular dystrophy affects the body. Immune system. Growing evidence demonstrates the crosswalk between the immune system and skeletal muscle in inflammatory inflammatory muscle disease and dystrophic conditions. The severity of muscle injury and inflammation dictates the impairment of muscle regeneration and the successive replacement of myofibers with connective and adipose tissue. The immune system activation is traditionally considered as a consequence of muscular wasting. Right here, you can see the difference between normal and someone with muscular who has muscular dystrophy. The difference is in the size of the muscle. Um, and right here is the normal muscle tissue and affected muscle tissue. Gene therapy. So as we know, there's no cure for muscular dystrophy, but uh, there's a one-time gene therapy which is able to slow down the progression by introducing functional genes to the cells and change the way they operate. Um, so muscular dystrophy is due to faculty gene not working properly, producing an essential protein called dystrophin. Dystrophin is the key for how our muscle work. And right here in these pictures, we have some examples of how the gene therapy works. Thank you.